Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. We are on the topic Greenhouse Effect and Global Warming, chapter 4. Earlier we have discussed about the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, that they trap a part of the heat radiated back by the earth, increasing its temperature. The increase in the temperature is called the global warming. It occurs due to the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide. And scientists have estimated that if the current rate of emission of these gases is not checked, then the global temperature will rise by 1.5 to 4.5 degrees Celsius by 2030, and that will not be good for the human being. There are several reasons behind it, like burning of fossil fuel like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. When we burn the fossil fuel in our factories, we use the petrol in our vehicles. At that time, they release the harmful gases, and these gases increase the volume of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. If the amount of the volume will increase, then the temperature will increase around the earth. Factories bleaching smoke. The next top point is factories bleaching smoke means the factories are running 24 hours and they release the harmful gases, because there are different type of factories. Some are the leather factories, chemical factories, petrochemical factories, thermal power plants. They all are responsible for increasing the greenhouse gases amount. Aeroplane flies in the sky. When their airplanes move, they also release the harmful gases. Forest fire. Forest fire occurs sometime due to the natural reason, like the forest fire occurs especially in the summer, and sometime carelessly thrown matchsticks by the human being, those who go to the forest for enjoy the natural beauty. Rapid destruction of forest for agriculture and industries. Why destruction of forest is there? All of you are aware about the phenomena that the population is increasing day by day, and to provide the food and shelter to this increasing population, humans are cutting down the forest for the land for agriculture and the land for settlement, and also land for the industries, because industries also provide us daily uses things. Global warming is not good for the earth in long run unless human beings are very careful to make change in their lifestyle. Global warming will keep increasing. It will lead to unexpected changes in the temperature and climate of the earth, which could have disastrous consequences. Some of the impact of global warming can be there, like the climate change, that which is always taking place. And if climate change will be there, then the agriculture pattern will disturb, and there will be a shortage of food for the human being. Climate change will also cause disturbance in the weather pattern and led to frequent heavy floods and in some places and severe drought in other places. Climate change will also rise the sea level. This will happen when the temperature will rise around the earth's surface. Then what will happen? The glaciers will melt, icebergs of several kilometers across breaking off from the mainland, and already this type of phenomena is occurring around the world, when some of the huge chunk of ice breaking away from the Antarctica. And when this type of things will be happen, then they will add into the volume of ocean water, and the ocean water will result in rising the sea level, and that will harmful for some of the countries like Bangladesh, Thailand and Malaysia, and in the southern part of USA like the states of Florida and Louisiana would be swept by the flood water along their shore. Many forms of wildlife will now at risk because of the climate change and deforestation, the causing of the disappearance the habitats of the wildlife. The number of strong hurricanes, tornado, sudden flood, heat waves, wildfire, and the other similar disaster will increase throughout the world, and this will ultimately lead to the desertification. And there will be, if desertification will be there, then definitely there will be acute shortage of food for the countries. Change in the ocean currents. When there will be climate change, the flow of the ocean currents will change permanently, and this will alter the movement of ocean currents in the mid and higher latitude in Europe and Africa. And this will not be good for the human being, those who are living on the earth surface. Thank you.